This video is an introduction to a three-part video series on NC 8EE7 solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides, recognizing that equations may have one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. The purpose of this series is to develop a conceptual understanding of solving equations with variables on both sides by using algebra tiles to model the process of what's really happening as you move variables and constants across the equal sign. Throughout this series, we hope to explicitly make the connection between the concrete, the representational, and the abstract process so that students are able to really see where the rules and algorithmic processes are developed from. The Concrete Representational Abstract, or CRA, is a three-step instructional approach that is very effective in teaching math concepts in order to build that conceptual understanding. This helps students to really rely on the concept and the understanding rather than just relying on tricks and algorithms. The concrete stage is the hands-on or the doing stage that involves physically manipulating objects to solve the problem. In our video segments, we will physically manipulate the algebra tiles to show what is happening in the process. The representational is the semi-concrete stage or the seeing stage and involves using those same images to represent the objects to solve the problem. So students are able to move away from physically manipulating the objects to drawing the representation. The final stage is the abstract stage. That is the symbolic stage that we want all 8th graders to finally move to. They move away from the models and they are able to just use the algebraic processes and rules to solve the problem. This three-part series is really built on building that conceptual understanding. In part one, we will do a brief exploration of how to build and represent expressions and equations with the tiles, as well as explore zero pairs and properties of equality, which are two important concepts in solving equations. In part two, we will explicitly model the process of solving equations using the tiles. And the final part three will help make the connection of the models to the algebraic representation. To review, this video is simply the introduction to the three-part series modeling the concrete, representational, and abstract process behind solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides.